Piers Morgan, 58, has broken his silence on whether he is in the running to replace Phillip Schofield, 61, as the new This Morning host, ruffling some fans' feathers in the process. On Saturday 20th of May, Schofield announced that he was stepping down from the ITV morning show with immediate effect, following a rumored feud with co-host Holly Willoughby, 42. ITV said that the mum of three will remain in her presenting position and will instead be joined by members of the This Morning family. However, some fans have speculated that Piers could be perfect for the show, and possibly even rejoin ITV permanently. Following the rumors, the outspoken broadcaster took to social media to shoot down this fan theory. Read more. Amanda Holden divides fans with shady post after Phillip Schofield quits This Morning today, Sunday, May 21. He posted a photograph of himself and Holly taken at ITV Palooza in 2019. In the picture, Piers is wearing a navy blazer and a button-down white shirt, while Holly can be seen in a stunning black scoop neck dress. In the caption, he told his 2 million social media followers, "Thanks to everyone suggesting I might replace Phillip Schofield at This Morning in a Lazarus-like comeback to ITV. Unfortunately, there's just one problem: I still don't believe a single word Meghan Markle says." Following the post, Instagram users have flocked to the comments to give Piers a piece of their mind. One wrote, "Meghan lives in your head rent-free. It's hilarious." Another said, "Thanks to everyone suggesting Piers Morgan is obsessed with Meghan Markle, you were right." A third commented, "You could learn to become weirdly obsessed about other things and walk off in a strop when challenged about those too." Don't miss. Piers Morgan slams gut-wrenching A-listers at problematic Met Gala. Reaction: Holly Willoughby fan fumes at ridiculous This Morning outfit. Pictures: Ulrika Jonsson slams narcissistic melting pot of ego between Holly and Phil. Reaction: However, many fans are also sticking by Piers' views and still believe he'd be perfect for the ITV job. One user commented, "Seriously, you would make the show more entertaining?" Another agreed and wrote, "Love you. Now that would be definitely worth tuning back in for. What a show that would make." A third simply said, "Yes, come back, your opinions are to be heard, not to be judged at, and by the way, I'm with you on the Meghan bit." Morgan quit Good Morning Britain in March 2021 and subsequently cut all ties with ITV. The abrupt exit came after he refused to apologise for comments he'd made about the Duchess of Sussex. At the time, the broadcaster stated that quitting was Piers' decision and that the company had accepted his resignation.